Imagine walking into a factory where every worker is a robot. No breaks, no sleep, no complaints. Every movement is precise. Every task is completed with perfect consistency, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It sounds like science fiction, but it's already happening. Across the world, a new generation of intelligent machines is leaving the laboratory and entering the real world. They're called humanoid robots, and they could completely transform the future of work and perhaps our everyday lives. But what exactly is a humanoid robot? Unlike traditional industrial machines, humanoid robots are designed to resemble the human body. Most have 2 arms, 2 legs, a head, and hands capable of using the same tools humans use. Instead of human eyes, they rely on advanced cameras, computer vision, and artificial intelligence. They don't simply see, they analyze. They recognize objects. They understand their surroundings. They use dozens of sensors to balance, avoid obstacles, measure distance, and interact with the world around them. Some can understand spoken commands. Some can learn from experience. Others can perform delicate tasks with incredible precision. The goal isn't just to build another robot. The goal is to build a machine that can work almost anywhere a human can. So, why are companies investing billions of dollars into humanoid robots? Because the world has a growing problem: labor shortages. Factories struggle to hire workers. Warehouses need more employees. Hospitals are under increasing pressure. And many dangerous jobs still place human lives at risk. Humanoid robots could help solve those problems. They never get tired. They don't need lunch breaks. They can lift heavy objects, repeat the same task thousands of times, and work day and night. In factories, they assemble products. In warehouses, they move packages. In hospitals, they could deliver medicine, transport equipment, or assist healthcare staff. Some researchers are even developing robots to help elderly people live more independently. And one day, humanoid robots may prepare future bases on the Moon and even Mars. Today, some of the world's biggest technology companies are racing to build the ultimate humanoid robot. Tesla introduced Optimus, designed to perform everyday work that people often don't want to do. Figure 02 combines advanced artificial intelligence with impressive mobility for real industrial environments. Unitree G1 demonstrates smooth walking, fast movement, and remarkable balance. Boston Dynamics continues to amaze the world with Atlas, a robot capable of running, jumping, and performing movements that once seemed impossible. Meanwhile, Agility Robotics created Digit, a humanoid robot already being tested inside warehouses, moving packages, and assisting logistics operations. Every year, these robots become faster, smarter, more capable. But here's the question everyone is asking. Will robots replace humans? The answer is more complicated than a simple yes or no. Robots excel at repetitive work, heavy lifting, dangerous environments, tasks that require speed, accuracy, and endless repetition. But humans still possess abilities that machines struggle to match: creativity, empathy, judgment, common sense, emotional understanding. Artificial intelligence is improving rapidly, but making ethical decisions, understanding human emotions, and solving completely unexpected problems remain incredibly difficult. Instead of replacing every worker, humanoid robots may become our partners. Despite their incredible progress, humanoid robots still face major challenges. Battery life remains limited. Building these machines is extremely expensive. Artificial intelligence still makes mistakes. Unexpected situations can confuse even the most advanced robots. Safety is another critical concern. When robots work alongside humans, they must react instantly and make safe decisions every single time. Governments, engineers, and researchers are now developing regulations to ensure these powerful machines are used responsibly. So, what does the future look like? Within the next decade, humanoid robots may become part of everyday life, working in homes, hospitals, factories, restaurants, construction sites, warehouses, and perhaps even future colonies on the Moon and Mars. As artificial intelligence continues to evolve, these machines will become smarter, safer, more capable. The age of humanoid robots has already begun. The question is no longer whether they will change the world. The real question is how much and how soon. If you enjoyed this documentary, subscribe to Insight Sphere, where every video helps you discover what's worth knowing.